What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Drizzling Tom here, coming at you with another video. Today, we're unboxing my first fidget spinner. Never had one yet. Only $2.99 it says. I remember these were like $10. Now they're like $3. So I finally got into the fidget game. So like, comment if you know anything about it. Oh, I'm denting my box. But comment if you know anything about it. Share this video. And subscribe, like. Let's unbox it. My bad I did that off camera. We'll pretend I didn't. Alright. Took the top off. Took it out. Here it is, you guys. Is the hype real? Let's see how it goes. I guess the hype's pretty real. This is pretty cool. Alright though, once again, comment, like, share, subscribe. It means so much, you guys. It really would mean a lot. Keep on fidget spinning. Let me know if there's tricks in the comments also. Alright, peace.